Hello, my dear students. How are you? Today we are discussing one of the most important concept, that is area of triangle. Okay, how to find the area of triangle when coordinates are given. One problem we will discuss now. Get ready, my dear students. Just I'm giving you one triangle. Take it this triangle A, B, C. A value 2, 0. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 6. How to find the area of this triangle? You have known the formula of area of triangle. What is it? Area of triangle is equal to base into corresponding height by 2. What is it? Half of base. Suppose you take a BC as a base, then what is its corresponding height? You have to draw the height from A to BC. Just you draw it. This height we called as corresponding height. Okay. Area of triangle ki formula tells meeku. What is that? Area of triangle is equal to half of base into corresponding height. What is the meaning of correspond? If we are taking BC as a base, you have to draw the height to the base. మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే బీసీని బేస్గా తీసుకుంటారో కన్ఫర్మ్గా హైట్ ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు బీసీ మీదగా డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ హైట్. So base BC we can find out it because here point B is there and here C is there. Just you find the distance from B to C, that is the length of BC. Yes or no? Now how to find the AM is the matter now, because it is a corresponding height. How to find out AM? AM ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? AM value. Till now we discussed section formula. If you know the ratio, if m divides in a specific ratio, then we can find m coordinates with the help of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. But you don't know ratio. How to find out? Can we find the m value? There is no formula for us till now. ఇంతవరకు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్న ఫార్ములాలు m find out చేయడానికి లేదు. If m is midpoint, then we can find out x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. But it is not a midpoint. It is the foot of the perpendicular. It is nothing but AM is a altitude, m is called foot. The vertex at right angle we called as a foot. Okay, so that's why how to find out it. You don't worry, I'm giving you one tool. With the help of that tool, you can solve it. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఒక టూల్ ఇస్తానన్నా. How to get that tool? Again, how many formulae we have to do such kind of problems also we will discuss in next class. Okay, so that's why get ready, my dear students. Now I promised you to give one tool, no? What is that tool? Listen carefully. ఆ టూల్ ఏంటో చెప్తాను, వినండి జాగ్రత్తగా. హౌ మెనీ పాయింట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్? 3 points. 2, 0. That you take it as a x1 y1 first point. This is x2 y2. This is x3 y3. Okay, with the help of this we couldn't do now. So that's why we are taking one more tool. Get ready. ఈ టూల్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని నువ్వు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా విత్ ఇన్ సెకండ్స్ యూ క్యాన్ డూ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? సో గెట్ రెడీ. వై వాట్ హౌ అనేది ఇప్పుడు వద్దు, ఎప్పుడు? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ ఫార్ములా. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ విల్ డిరైవ్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే మనం అప్లికేషన్స్ అన్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం, చేసాక వాటి డెరివేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, now area of triangle delta, just area of triangle I am denoting by this. ఓకే, నేను ఎక్కడైనా డెల్టా అని రాశాను అనుకోండి, ఇమ్మీడియట్గా మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనుకోవాలి. క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు అనుకోండి, అయినా నేను డెల్టా రాశాను అనుకోండి, Immediately what you have to think? That is the area of that quadrilateral. If I am writing pentagon, so definitely that is the symbol for area of pentagon. Okay, like that. Just we are denoting like that. Okay, లేదు అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అని రాయాలి. ఎందుకు అంత రాయడం? ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై సింప్లీ వి డినోటెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. సో delta is equal to half of C. Ready? Just you observe the x coordinates of all points first. x1 value 2, x2 value 1, x3 value 1. Difference of x coordinates. See, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. First, you take a x1. You have to do the difference with x2 and x3. And again, same we have to do it for y coordinate also. Cheppandi, what is the y1? 0. Difference ante subtraction kada. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 0 minus 6, minus 6. See, just we got one form. This is the determinant form. ఇది determinant form అని matrices చేసేటోళ్ళకి, matrices ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి తెలుస్తుంది. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? matricesలో ఏం చేస్తాం? చూడండి, ఈ ఫార్మేట్లో ఉంది అంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ చేస్తాం. సి దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ డైరెక్షన్. నౌ వీ చేంజ్ ద డైరెక్షన్. సి హియర్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 into -6 -6. చూడండి, డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ చేసాం కదా, జస్ట్ యూ టేక్ ఏ మైనస్ సింబల్. అండ్ 1 into -2 -2. దెన్ వాట్ డిడ్ యూ గెట్? అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, వాట్ డిడ్ యూ గెట్? 1/2 ఆఫ్ -6 plus 2, that is equal to 1/2 of -4. Sir, okay, determinant form annar idendi sir ee symbol, what is it? Have that symbol also some importance. What is it? This you called as modulus. Modulus always used for a positive quantity. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి? we got it negative quantity. Then what we have to do? We must get the positive quantity, because area is the quantity we are taking positive, but I got negative here. Negative వచ్చినా ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం? We can write it as a positive because we used this symbol. So 2 ones are 2 2s are, so -2 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది అన్న? 2 square units. So your area is 2 square units. Your area is 2 square units. Bas, problem is over. Okay. So with the help of this, some more we will do it. ఏం చేద్దాం? జస్ట్ ఆడుకుందాం. జస్ట్ వీఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా మారుద్దాం చూడండి. we have given vertices. We found the area with the help of one formula. Now just the same problem you take it, but a value I'm taking k comma 0 and b value is 1 comma 2 and c value is 1 comma 6 and area of triangle is 2 square units. Then can you find k value? What is the k value? Okay, guess it. Yes, k value is 2. Avuna, because we did like that, we got it to area. Already we have taken area now, then definitely that k value be the 2. చూద్దాం మరి k value 2 వస్తుందో లేదో చూద్దాం. Okay, and same formula, delta value how much is given? 2. What is the formula for delta? 1/2 difference of x coordinates. Again as it is same, difference of x coordinates. K minus 1, k minus 1. Yes or no? K minus 1, k minus 1. And difference of y coordinates. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 6. That value how much we got it? 2 we got it. Yes or no? Now that 2 transpose that side. 2 2s are 4. Here k minus 1 into minus 6 minus k minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4. Okay, now here we can take it k minus 1 as a common. Just you take a k minus 1 as a common. Minus 6 minus into minus plus 2. is equal to 4. Now, here removing the modulus symbol. For removing the modulus symbol, we are giving RHS side plus or minus 4. Why? Can you say? Because in modulus, whether it is positive sign or negative sign, you are getting positive only. Positive modulus 2 value 2 ne. Modulus minus 2 is also 2. So that's why when we open the modulus symbol, then what we have to do it? When we open the modulus symbol, that value either positive or negative. అంటే ఈ మాడ్యులస్ ఇంటీరియర్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ పాజిటివ్ అయినా 4 వస్తుంది, నెగిటివ్ ఉన్నా +4 వస్తుంది. అవునా కాదా? ఇప్పుడు ఈ మాడ్యులస్ వాల్యూ. సో దట్స్ వై వెన్ వి ఓపెన్ దట్ మాడ్యులస్ ఓపెన్ చేసామంటే మరి ఏమవుతుంది? +or-4 అవుతుంది. మీన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్ +4 one time and -4 one time. So k minus 1 into -4 is equal to +4, you take it one time. ORR k minus 1 into -4 is equal to -4. Now 4 cancel, k minus 1 equal to -1. Okay, or -4 cancel, k minus 1 equal to 1. Here k value is 0 or k value is 1 plus 1, 2. See, observe here. What did we get? K equal to 0 or k equal to 2, you got it. See, not only the area of the triangle is 2 square units when k value is 2. You take a k value 0, then at that time also you will get the same. Okay, so two problems have same answer. What are the two problems? One is 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 6. That is one problem. And one more problem. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 6. That two problems have same. Okay, chodam mari. Just do you want to check it? Just we check it. Here you take it. What do you take? Here you take it. A 0, 0, we got it. B 1, 2. C 1, 6. This also we must get it 2 square units. Getting or not, check it. Delta is equal to half of difference of x coordinates -1, difference of x coordinates -1, difference of y coordinates 1, 0 -2 -2, 0 -6 -6. Okay, so now you observe here 1/2. What did we get? Minus into minus, +6. Here minus into minus plus, and again here minus symbol is there. So that's why half 4. So how much you got it? 2 square units. Got it or not? Got it or not? Now just this we described on graph లో describe చేసి చూద్దామా ఎలా ఉంటాయో. Okay, so one point we got it 0, 0. One more point we got it, one is 2, 0. Suppose you take it a 2, 0, 1, 6. 2, 0, you take it here, and 1, 6, you take it here. Okay, one more we have now. What is that? 1, 2. Here already we take it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you take it as 6. Okay, this is 1, 2. This point is 1, 2. Now you observe. See, this is vertical line only, no, because 1, 2, 1, 6. This is vertical line. So see, this is one triangle we formed. What is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle is 2 square units. Okay, one more we have, no, 0 0 1 comma 2 1 comma 6. See, 0 0 1 comma 2 1 comma 6. What is the area of this triangle? Area of that triangle also 2 square units. Okay, 2 triangles we got it, whose areas are same. Okay, good, my dear students.